everyone, I'm Mark. For years, I have admired the amazing men and women of advanced style. They wear amazing clothes and jewelry, and I am always inspired by it. So today, I'm making some organically shaped evening Constellation cuffs using some products you probably already have. I'm using an orange juice bottle, my amazing glue gun, and some beautiful beads from John Bead. I think it's amazing what you can do with just a little imagination. Are you ready? Let's get making. In 1862, Alexander Parkes introduced the world's first man-made plastic called Parkezine. It was marketed as an alternative to ivory and horn. In the second half of the 17th century, Maître Jacquin patented a method of making fake pearls from hollow, blown glass spheres that were coated on the inside with ground fish scales. Very cool. Several centuries ago, fine pearls were not only sold as jewelry, but also by apothecary shops as medicine. A liqueur was made with them and used to cure various illnesses. I'm going to leave a link for everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @Mark_Montano, and I will see you real soon. Bye.